Ask the Lord, you bless us to come by safely wherever we're going with it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, or should I say welcome back to another episode of Mom and Wife Gets Everything Planned, Packed, and hubby and the kids just dressed and they come along for the ride.
I just follow.
Welcome back to the channel, y'all. If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe if you're feeling the vibes. If you are a returning subscriber, I say thank you for continuing to rock with us. We are headed on a little mini family vacay. The kids are on spring break this week and we're about to go have some fun. Where are we going?
I have no clue, so I just follow. I flow with faith. I'm the driver for them.
All right, we'll be right back. We are going to Perryville
Again?
Yeah.
Are y'all excited?
Yes,
I haven't been with them on several trips, so this one I have to pause some job. You know, I know we have to make the money, but at the same time, we family come first.
That's right. Family first.
Stop. So last fall break, we went to Perryville Lodge, and now we're going again. That's what I'm excited about.
Woo! Yeah!
Hey, true man?
True man. What you want to say, True man?
We need to go to park. We need to go to home and the water park.
Yay! Standing in line to check in so that we can grab a cart and put all of our things on the cart and take it to the room. So we actually got here pretty late. It's about 5:53. The water park closes at 8 p.m. So we probably might only get like an hour and a half in the water park, and then we'll change and go do some other activities. But just a tip for you, even though check-in for the room begins at 4 p.m., I would advise you to still come a little earlier because you can actually go to the water park sooner before you're even able to check in, which is what we should have done. But of course we didn't, so here we are. Right, so my camera went dead and the battery's in the car. Hubby went to go park. So right now we're about to get our ears. The first thing you want to do when you get here is make sure you come to the gift shop and get your ears. The ears are free. So we're in the gift shop now. Oops. About to get some ears.
I can just use this for a fan.
Hi, can I have ears, please? 4. Thank you. Got your ears, Choo-choo. Here you go.
Whoa, vacation.
Look at the slides over there.
Daddy,
I want to get into that.
No.
Mommy.
Daddy.
All right, we are changed, then we're ready to go spend about an hour or two in the pool. 2 hours. So I started this vlog on my camera. The camera's dead. I can't find the battery and we gotta go. So now I'm on my phone. So bear with me.
I get the front foot.
Where are your slippers? Where are your slippers, boy? Get off the floor. Get off the floor. So we just left the water park. We're about to go take a shower, get ready for dinner and the dance party. All right, so the kids are fed and we are getting ready to go to the dance party downstairs pretty soon. I'm finally getting something to eat myself. Y'all know how it is for us moms, planning and running around and shuffling.
We appreciate you, Mommy.
Yes.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. I love y'all.
I love you.
We love you too.
I love you too.
So we are getting their bubbles ready because it costs about $30+ when you're at the dance party. So order those off of Amazon. So pro tip, order your bubble wands from Amazon in advance, okay?
Okay, that's enough. right now because there's story time. The Legend of Luna, a great wolf story. I'm about to listen to it right now. It starts in 10 minutes.
You heard it. That's my little vlogger in training there. Yeah, so it has been a pretty fun day. Although we got here late, but it's still fun. Like Mariah said, we are on the property right now. We're waiting for story time, and then we're gonna hit up the what?
Arcade! I can't wait to be at the arcade.
We just sent Daddy and Truman upstairs to get the snacks. We forgot to bring the snacks down with us. Oh, guess what, y'all? Remember I was telling y'all the pro tip about the bubble wand? You will not believe how many people have asked me about the bubble wand. And I was like, make sure you do Amazon next time. Get it from Amazon, and that's what we did. So the show is over. We are actually about to check to see if we can get a closer parking spot.
Yeah!
And so we're just taking a night stroll out here. The weather is not that cold. It feels nice out here. But overall, we've been having a really great time. It's always good to be with the family.
Yes.
Lovely, lovely times, lovely vibes. We are just grateful to be able to provide these experiences for our kids.
Life, man. This is life.
Because what do we work for? What do we work for?
Yeah.
We work to make sure our kids are happy.
Tomorrow is not promising to no one.
Tomorrow's not promised.
Rich or poor, man.
Yep. Truman, what do you have to say, Truman?
Wow!
Make the best of every moment.
Every moment.
Every second.
We were prepared.
If you
We were prepared for the movie. Daddy and Truman went to go get some snacks, and then we got water. So we were prepared for the show.
She's right. Ooh, I'm loving how I'm looking out here. Ooh, look at the light on my skin. Look at the light on this melanin. Tuesday. We are up and dressed and we're getting...
And the water park.
Yeah, water park. We're getting ready to go have some breakfast, and then after that, we're gonna come up to the room. So we got extended checkout, so we're gonna be checking out at 2 p.m. So we're gonna go have breakfast, come upstairs, relax a little bit, and then you know, pack all of our stuff. Well, our things are pretty much packed, but just kind of like putting it on the cart, and then ultimately going to check out, and then we'll probably, not probably, we definitely will dive right back into the water park for a couple of hours and then head out. So I'll catch y'all later over at breakfast.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm almost ready.
So they have a Dunkin' here, but it gets so crowded in the morning. The last time we came here, it took forever to get our order, so I'm not messing with Dunkin'. We actually bought the breakfast package, so we're gonna have breakfast at one of the restaurants here at the breakfast buffet. Finished breakfast and we are about to see if there is a closer parking spot for our car because we parked pretty far. Couldn't find one last night, so out here the weather is really nice. It's really sunny, and of course my shades are in the room, but it's such a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Why is Shrimmer all the way back there? about to go put our stuff in the car and then head back over to the water park. Y'all, I'm so mad. I forgot to I have a water pouch that I usually can put my phone into when we're at, you know, the water parks, and I totally forgot to bring it. So yesterday I was like, geez, I'm not a true content creator today. I forgot my water pouch. So I wasn't able to show y'all too much of what we did because I had to put the phone down.
Ooh, that's cold.
In order to be able to enjoy the amenities of the water park.
Ooh,
and unfortunately, that's going to happen today as well. So I might just show you a little bit of inside, and then I'm going to have to put the phone and the camera down because I want to get in the pool, in the water, and enjoy myself too. So
That's cold.
It is a wrap, folks. We are finally about to leave, about to head out. We had an amazing time, and we're actually about to go grab something to eat. Another pro tip about Great Wolf Lodge is that the food is pretty expensive, so there are a lot of restaurants that are nearby, so you have many options to either order or take a ride out and go grab some food. And a good thing about Great Wolf is that you're not coerced into purchasing anything from them. You can actually, they allow you to, have food delivered to the lodge or the hotel. So it's pretty decent. And I think the location, it's really good for the businesses that are in the area because, folks have many options. There's a Wawa nearby. There's a Chick-fil-A. There is a Pizza Hut. There is McDonald's, and I'm listing all of these because I saw people who got food from these different places, so I don't know all of the places, but we actually ordered Pizza Hut last night. The kids enjoyed it, so we're actually heading over there now to grab some lunch, and then we're gonna be heading home. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. This was just really an option for your spring break. Some of you probably already had spring break, or some of you have spring break coming up. Hopefully you will do something with the kids. It's so important to take some time off work during the kids' spring break and take them to spring break. Oh, and by the way, I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but this is the Great Wolf Lodge that's located in Perryville, Maryland. It's about 35 minutes from where we live, so it felt really good to come to this location. Although one of these days I do want to visit the Poconos location, but it's pretty far and I don't like far drives anymore. This is our second time at this one. This is hubby's first time here, but the kids and I came here back in November of last year. Yeah, overall great time. As you can see, my hair is done. I don't know if y'all heard me earlier, but I got on this slide. Like, I got on this slide, and that would have been such a viral moment, but unfortunately hubby was not recording. Like, my wig was trailing behind me. Yes, my wig was trailing behind me. That's how crazy that slide was. Yeah.
Mariah can tell.
I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog, and I'm gonna say bye for now. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and we'll catch y'all later.
That's not all.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.